All right, so what's going on, family? We're going to talk about Jim Cramer today and how he's trying to state to us that he thinks SoFi stock is in the doghouse. What the heck is going on? Article right here written from Benzinga. So on his daily show on CNBC, Mad Money, he has a lightning round to where people call in, or he quickly drops a whole lot of stocks, businesses, and let you know whether or not it's a buy or sell, or will he touch it or will he not touch these stocks. And he also mentioned within that lightning round SoFi, and I quote, "They were doing great, and then they did this convertible bond and it just wrecked the stock." The Mad Money host said about SoFi Technologies, quote, the stock has just been in the doghouse ever since, and I don't like it when I tell people to buy a stock and it's staying in the doghouse. We got to find out what the heck is going on there." So apparently Cramer was out here telling people to buy SoFi, and then SoFi turned around and did a convertible bond offering because they need more money. And now he's like, that put the stock in the doghouse. And he's like, what the heck? I done told people to come out here and buy this stock, and then SoFi is going to go ahead and do this. Because you can see that the stock did go down, even off of our price prediction. Yeah, I was looking for the market in SoFi to go up, but for this reason, we cannot act like we're surprised, because I told you that there was a sell zone right here. See that? And when we did our price prediction, I definitely told you, be careful, because the market may not break above that sell zone. And as you can see, it didn't. So whoever was a seller here in SoFi on January 29th and the 3rd of January, they still sold the market in SoFi right there around $9.15. These people who sold came back and sold again. And that's when the market just completely fell off a cliff. So yeah, this price prediction didn't work out. Outside of the first couple of days that the market hung around this low end of the sell zone around $9.16. That was it. Maybe around 2 or 3%. And then the next couple of days it just completely fell off, to the point to where it didn't even hold this buy zone that we've created. It didn't even hold that. SoFi went ahead and created a new buy zone right here. So really, I think the buy zone is going to be around 650. So like Jim said, SoFi does look bearish. It doesn't look like it wants to trend to the upside right now. Let's look at this on a weekly chart. Okay. So what we're looking at is pretty much a market that doesn't know what it wants to do. People are trying to figure out SoFi. There's a lot of volatility. One day you guys can see the market run up to $11. Next day, next week, it's back down to 8. 2 weeks after that, it's back down to 6. It's a lot of volatility occurring in SoFi. You're not seeing a lot of cohesiveness going on to the market in SoFi right now. This market is very, very confused. Is that an opportunity for us or not? Here it is on the 2 weeks. SoFi on the 3. Okay. So when you look at this on a 3 weekly chart, I'm going to drop some arrows on here, and I want you all to tell me, will the market in SoFi remain bullish, or will it become bullish or not? Because this is the first 3 price bars that my eyes look at when I look at this chart to say it doesn't look bullish. What about on the 5? It doesn't look bullish. If anything, we can still see SoFi just consolidate right now. Because like I said, it doesn't look like it wants to do a movement to the upside. Here it is on the 5. So this is the reason why SoFi is bouncing right now. It's because of these buyers that bought back in November of last year. If these buyers ever leave, SoFi is going to have a big move to the downside. Just giving you all a heads up now. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me draw a buy zone right around here. That'll be the next area for us to see the market and SoFi move to. This is it on a 3 months chart. We have 7 more days. We don't want to see. If you're a bull or a buyer in SoFi, you don't want to see this market close on the low. So when you look at these three monthly price bars, that's weakness. And this is weakness. So out of the three month price bars, there's only 1 month that we saw the market go up. So put that together, there's definitely overwhelmingly more weakness off of the chart in SoFi than there is strength right now. Okay. So we may see a small pop occurring to the market in SoFi. This would be an area. And the next sell area would be up here. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for that. I want to see if these buyers will take these sell zones out now. If they don't, if we see the market get rejected, then we may need to consider price ultimately coming down to $5. But this would be the first area right here that I would like to see these market buyers try to hold the price, either there or here. Those would be my 2 targets. So right now I'm just going to wait to see how bullish these buyers are, because yesterday was a bullish day in SoFi. So now I want to see if the buyers will get rejected at this sell zone, come back down, or will they be able to take it up here to like $8 and then break it down, or they ultimately break it through, hold support, then try to reach that $9.20 So I want to see how the reaction is going to be around there. So I'm just going to chill out on that one. But yeah, you give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.